Hi everybody, I'm Sarah with Redeem Decor and hope you enjoy this video today. It is sweet and simple using two of my absolute favorite brushes from the Paint Pixie collection. The Blue Wave, which is a synthetic dusty if you love the dusty brushes, and the Little B. So we're gonna be mainly using the Little B today for our cute canister that I picked up at Goodwill, and we are going to show you how great this brush is and the power it has with paint. So hope you enjoy and thanks so much for watching. Okay, so I am starting with this little wooden canister that I picked up recently at Goodwill. And I'm putting just a very small amount of paint here. I'm using a chalky gray, and I'm using this on this box. And as you can see with the Little B, with that synthetic, it's not leaving brush strokes and it is getting a lot of coverage. I love the fact that it's flat, because on flat surfaces like canisters or flat furniture, it really just gives it such a smooth coat. And I ended up only having to even do one coat of this color, and it just goes on so gorgeous. Some other things that are really great about a synthetic brush like the Lil B is that they wash really well because they are all synthetic. The paint literally just falls out of them. Make sure you keep them clean. If you ever forget and harden up your brush, no worries. You can always use the Paint Pixie Suds soap, S-U-D-S. It's amazing, and it has saved many brushes from the trash for me. It's also very comfortable with the handle, and again, another part of the synthetic that is so wonderful is it does not leave brush marks when it dries. And if you notice, even though this is a flat brush, you can always just turn it on its side like I did when I needed to get inside the handle here, and it can work for smaller, more sharp areas. Okay, so before I wax, I'm gonna go ahead and distress my lid in my box with a sanding block. And then I'm just gonna use some pretty transfers that I had on hand to add to the box, wax it, and it will be good to go. I'm loving the finished look of this, and notice no brush strokes. Such a beautiful smooth finish with the Lil B. Thanks so much for watching.